six-order. Six-orders have really good bandwidth.
That's right, yeah.
So,
I like the green lights too. That made it really flashy.
Yeah, they change different colors.
Okay. How are you doing? What is your name?
My name is Erica.
Okay. Could you give me a rundown real quick what all you have in here?
Sure. I have a single VFL Intense Dual 2 on a SK 4500 V1.
V1, okay.
The VFL is in a 6-order tuned to 28 to 52 hertz.
Really? Wow. Single sub.
Yep, single.
Awesome. Did you build this?
I kind of helped, but
Okay.
for the most part, effort.
I understand. Okay. Did you meter it yet?
No, I've never metered
Never
it.
metered it? Okay.
No. I'm not really chasing after numbers.
I understand. Just demo and daily driver?
I just like the way it sounds.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Is this wired to 1 ohm or do you know?
Yeah, 1 ohm.
Okay. All right. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's just start her up.
really good for one sub, to be honest. It's impressive. And it's really got good bandwidth.
Yeah, well,
So,
I mean, it's a 6-order. 6-orders have really good bandwidth.
That's right, yeah.
So,
I like the green lights too. That made it really flashy.
Yeah, they change different colors and stuff like that.
Okay,
So.
awesome. And you got it sealed off.
To have everything, so.
Oh, I understand. Yeah, you're good. You sealed it off all the way around, so it's kind of pretty much all past the B or C pillar. So,
yeah.
Okay. And you got your back seat still?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. That works.
Oh.
All right. Thank you for the demo. What was your name?
Erica.
Erica. All right. Is there anything behind the box, or is it just the box?
No, it's just all box.
I just wanted to make sure. Do you have an extra battery?
Yeah, I got 2 other ones. There's a chamber down at the bottom.
Okay.
Where my 2 batteries are, and then I also have my amp for my highs and mids.
Okay.
That are back there.
Got it. That makes sense. I was just curious.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, thank you, Erica.
Not a problem. Thank you.
You have a good day.
You too. Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm ghetto.
This is pretty different. Oh, it broke. Don't worry about it. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.